Replace or not, that is the question. Do not replace. If your device works properly, if you want to preserve an original device, if you want to buy non-aim capacitors, old capacitors are often better than new ones. Old capacitors can be reformed. Yes, replace. If your device doesn't work properly, if you want to avoid further problems. Old capacitors are some kind ticking bombs.